Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my master bathroom clean and decorate. Since we moved in back in November, I never really tackled this room, so today I'm going to add some new decor and I'm going to make it look a little more cozy in here. It started out looking kind of like a spa. I wanted it to look really fresh and white and clean, but I've kind of changed my mind just because it looked a little bit too plain. So in today's video, I'm going to switch things up and make things a little bit more cozy. But today's video is partnered with MB Stone Care, which is a company known around the world for its quality products and its ability to find solutions to natural stone problems confronting people. They have all kinds of cleaners and accessories for your home, and everything on their website today is 15% off, and it all goes back to normal price tomorrow, so make sure you check them out today. I'm going to have a link below as well as a 10% discount code in case you missed the sale today, so check the description box below. But today I'm going to use their shower kit, which has a multi-surface spray, a soap and mineral remover, and a mold and mildew remover, and all of these products did such a good job.
I'm yours until the end of time.
Before I got started decorating in here today, I wanted to make sure everything was good and cleaned up, so I just took my MB Stone Care multi-surface spray and I sprayed down our countertops and our sinks, and I got those all cleaned up. I love that spray. It's super heavy duty, works great. Once we get that done, we'll go ahead and add in all of the decor. And I actually went to Hobby Lobby earlier this day and picked up everything that I needed to complete this bathroom. Like I said before, I really wanted this bathroom to be kind of a spa theme, and then I changed my mind because everything just looked too plain and boring. So I'm going to bring in some black today, which is a color that I don't usually use in my home. I usually keep things pretty light and neutral like grays, creams, whites, but today we are going to bring in some black. And normally when I go to the store to pick out decor, I have a list of things that I'm on the search for, and it's really not that enjoyable to shop for it. It's hard to find certain things. So today I just kind of let the store lead me where it wanted to lead me, and so I was just throwing things in my buggy that I thought were cute, and it ended up turning out so cute. I love everything that I picked up. Y'all will have to let me know down below what you think.
Good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No, did you fool yourself enough to be?
Today's video is in collaboration with my friend Jenny from Cleaning Therapy here on YouTube. She has some of the most relaxing cleaning motivation. She's super encouraging, and she's all about inspiring you to make your home feel clean and calm so that you will feel calm. If you have not already checked her out, the link to her channel is going to be down in the description box. She's doing lots of cleaning over on her channel today, so make sure to stop by, subscribe, and let her know that I sent you. And it had been a long time since I showed these mirrors any attention, so I'm spraying them down with my glass cleaner and I'm going to shine those up. And then I'm also going to take some paper towels and buff the countertops, get them all dry before we bring in all of the decor. When I went into Hobby Lobby, the first place I went was the spring home decor section because I knew all of it was 40% off, and I ran into these really pretty fake plants, and then they had all of the pots lined up next to them, so how could I not? And I really needed a plant for this little middle section of our counter anyways. I used to have that big glass container here, and it just looked too plain, not enough color, and I also added these little black soaps, and I think this area turned out so pretty.
Ay, like you're feeling sorry.
Now I'm headed over to the tub, and I'm just going to take my MB soap and mineral solution and spray down this tub. This one gets really nasty because I take bubble baths in here all the time, and I use the Epsom salt bubble bath, and it leaves this really nasty clumpy residue everywhere. And so I'm just going to spray down this tub, and then I'm going to use my extended rod scrubby pad to get it all cleaned up.
Walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. It's a devil on your shoulder. 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 Shoulder.
We are about to get into a lot more decorating here in just a second, but I wanted to make sure everything was good and clean before I did that. But if you're new to my channel, I wanted to quickly introduce myself. My name is Lauren. I'm from Arkansas. I'm a 5th grade teacher, and I love making videos about cleaning and decorating and organizing, all things homemaking. So if you love those things too, make sure to hit that little red subscribe button before you go today. I would love to have you. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But let's go ahead and keep on cleaning. So for this space above the tub, I really wanted a big statement piece, and I actually went to At Home, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby to try to find something that had to do with a bath, like the words soak, relax, unwind, but I couldn't find anything that was cute. Hobby Lobby had a lot of things that said soak and relax, but they were really busy with florals all over them, and I wanted to keep it pretty simple. So I ended up going with these, and these were at Hobby Lobby, and it says, "And so together we built a life we loved," and I thought they were really simple, but they made a big statement, so I love them here, and I'm also going to add a few more things here in just a second. A few weeks back I added this little white shower curtain over our shower. Even though this little shower does have a door, it always looked really gross because of the water buildup. So I decided I'll just smack a curtain on here, that way nobody can even tell. And I have loved the curtain, but the little things that are the little hooks that hold up the curtain were really plain. And so I found these black ones at Home Goods, and I thought that they would make a really nice statement next to those pictures by the tub. So I'm going to go ahead and add those here. For this area above the toilet, I was going to use some floating shelves that I already had on hand, but they had some black metal on them, and I didn't want to bring in too much black, so I went ahead and replaced it with this cathedral window frame that I found at Hobby Lobby, and I think it turned out really pretty. And then underneath here, I'm just going to switch out that light gray basket for a dark black one. It's like blackish brown, and we're going to add our toilet paper into that. And then I'm going to add some gold accents over on the tub, and I want to add some more gold accents throughout this bathroom, but this was a start.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck.
I have loved having this little mirror in here, but it actually belongs in our bedroom, so I picked up this little wicker basket table from Hobby Lobby, and it was a really good price, and I thought it was super cute for this little area. And then I'm going to hang a big gold mirror on that other wall eventually when I find one. But I found this really cool towel rack at Hobby Lobby, and it was actually part of the spring shop, so it was 40% off, and so I'm just going to roll up my towels and put them in there.
Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day to
Just in case you missed the video where I picked up that rug, that's actually from At Home, and it was only 29 bucks for that big long rug, and I absolutely love that thing.
Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day to.
Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some motivation to get something done in your home today. It is officially spring, so we can all start getting our homes ready for the warmer weather, and I'm so excited about that. Don't forget to hit up the sale on MB Stone Care's website. That's going to be linked below, as well as a discount code just in case you missed their sale. They have tons to choose from. And also don't forget to check out Jenny's channel. Her link will be in my description box. And I hope y'all have an amazing day. Bye.
It's a good day to live.
I don't believe